In this video, I'm going to be talking about Kirchoffs' two rules for circuits, which are the node rule and the loop rule. And to start off, I'm going to talk about the node rule, which is that for any junction or node in a circuit, the sum of the currents flowing into that node are equal to the sum of the currents flowing out of the node. So in this example, at this node, node 1, the sum of the circuits flowing in is just I1, and the circuits flowing out are I2 and I3. So I1 has to be equal to I2 plus I3, and then vice versa at node 2, the currents flowing in are I2 and I3, and flowing out is I1. So I2 plus I3 has to be equal to I1. And this is the case at any node in any circuit. Our second rule is the loop rule, and the loop rule is that the sum of all the voltage differences in each element of the circuit has to equal 0, and that usually means that the sum of voltage differences across all elements besides the battery has to equal the battery. That's not always the case, and so in this example, you see that the sum of the voltages is equal to the voltage of the battery minus the voltage of resistor 1 minus the voltage of resistor 2 minus the voltage of resistor 3, which all equals to 0. So in this example, the voltage of all three, voltage difference across all three resistors would equal the voltage of the battery. And it could also be written that the voltage of the battery minus the current times the resistance of resistor 1 minus the current times the resistance of resistor 2 minus the current times the resistance of resistor 3 equals 0, and that can be more useful when calculating out all the values in a circuit.